How to deposit paper money on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will show you how you can deposit paper money to your Cash App and add money without debit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to deposit paper money on Cash App, first of all just launch the Cash App application, and then once you launch Cash App you want to make sure that you're under the banking tab which you see from the bottom left corner of the screen. And then as you do that, here you'll find the option called paper money, right? Deposit at a nearby location. So all you have to do is tap on the paper money option, and then you'll be able to see all of the places that can actually help you deposit paper money. Now this depends upon where you live as well, so just because I see all these options does not necessarily mean that you'll be able to see all this. Depending upon where you live, the regions and the places might differ. So over here you simply want to select a location that is nearest to you. Once you select a location, it will give you this information. So first of all, what you have to do is just show your barcode, right? So just tap on the show barcode option. Once you tap on that option, it will give you your barcode, and then you have to ask the cashier in that specific place to scan the barcode. And then there will also be a $1 fee per transaction, limit 1 transaction per barcode, and $5 minimum to deposit. And after you do that, just tap on done and then go to the nearby location, and then you should be able to deposit paper money. And that's all it takes to deposit paper money into your Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.